Hi, today is the 3rd of September 2017, and the precognition I had this morning, and it's going throughout the day, but it was very strong this morning, is that there's going to be an earthquake in New York. Okay, how I got this precognition is not how I normally get precognitions. I was watching the news in the morning, and I saw them talking about the earthquake, the man-made earthquake in in North Korea. In North Korea, there has been an earthquake, but it was made because through, I don't know, missile testing or nuclear bomb testing. So anyway, as I was watching this news coverage, I was getting images of New York Central Station. And I haven't been to New York, but it was really familiar. I'm like, is that New York Central Station? Inside New York Central Station. I kept on getting like flash images first, and then afterwards I got I'm trying to remember. Afterwards I got like video like images. So I was looking at the New York Central Station from the stairs, looking downwards. So I was like, okay, New York Central Station. Then afterwards I got like this thought type of thing, a thought. Words, I don't know how to explain it, but it comes as a thought, but it's like you can hear it at the same time. And I got warned. So I thought, okay. And I was seeing all this and I was thinking, okay, all right. And so I decided to stop the news that I was watching because it was kind of like disrupting what the information I was getting. Well, I was worried that it would disrupt the information that I was getting. So I stopped watching the news. And from there, the scene again came. The scene of New York Central Station. I was at the top looking down. So that's how I knew it was New York Central Station. I've seen the pictures before, I'm sure, years ago or whatever. And then afterwards, warned again. It repeated, warned. Normally, sometimes I get warn, meaning I should warn people. But it was warned. And then I got like, I felt like the floor was trembling, like everything was trembling, the ground was trembling. So I was like, okay, all right, okay. I think there's gonna be an earthquake in New York. As I was saying this, while I was feeling the earth trembling, I saw images of Wendy Williams. If you don't know Wendy Williams, she's a talk show host thingy, an American talk show host. But anyway, Wendy Williams' show is located. Now, I'm trying to figure out why am I seeing Wendy Williams, but I knew it was linked with the warning of the earthquake because trembling, I felt trembling, and New York. So I'm thinking, yeah, I know Wendy Williams' show is in New York, so maybe it's just trying to really emphasize to me that New York. At the same time, Wendy also lives in New Jersey. So that's the reason why I'm also going to put New Jersey as a warning. Just because of Wendy Williams, the images of Wendy Williams came up. And she lives in New Jersey, but her show is based in New York. So New Jersey, just be warned, like just be prepared too. But the main thing is New York. I felt the ground trembling. And as for the warned, I think people have been warned or will be warned. I don't know about that. I'll try and look into it. Maybe I'll try and Google or something whether people have been warned. But yes, New York, be prepared. So all I got is the trembling, like really significant. People will feel the trembling. The floor was trembling. And yeah, and I am sure it is the what did I say, Grand Station? I don't know. I'm sure it is the New York Central Station that I saw from the stairs up looking down. So yeah, like I said, normally this is not how I get my warning or precognitions and stuff, but my abilities have been doing its own thing lately, and maybe I'm tired and whatever, so it's trying to find a way to come through regardless. But yeah, so anyway, today is the 3rd of September 2017. I was checking the time, and my name is Stella Njowa. I hope you guys are fine. Take care. Bye bye.